Marami nagtatanong sa akin kung ano nga ba yung tour na ginawa namin sa Boracay. Kasi dito talaga nagkakatalunan. Saan ka nagpunta? Ano yung mga experiences mo? So let me share with you my 2-day adventure which I booked through Toto Boracay Tour Travel Agency. On our day 1, we started our morning early. Gising ng 8 a.m. pick up ng 9 a.m. Sumakay kami ng tricycle then hop on a speedboat papuntang mainland. Doon pa lang ang saya na kasi you get the rush na okay, adventure time na talaga. First stop, our ATV ride. Grabe ang saya. Imagine driving through rough, muddy trails with the wind hitting your face. Nakakabitin kasi parang gusto mong ulit-ulitin. For me, it's not just a fun but a total Boracay must try. After that, we level up the trail with a zip line. Not just once but twice kami sumakay. View from the top is breathtaking. Tapos habang dumudulas ka pababa, it's the mix of kaba talaga and excitement. Parang ang tagal lang 10 seconds na yun, but in the best way possible. Next adventure, we went to this area with a giant slide. Imagine sliding down from such a high spot para kang bata pero with the adrenaline kick, super fun. We also checked out the Lutuan landmark. Perfect spot for photos. Tapos nag-chill kami at kayaking river. Ang ganda ng vibe dito kasi after all intense activity, you get this calm and relaxing moment. Just paddling on the water. By the end of the day, sobrang puno ng energy ang day 1 namin. A mixed thrill, laughter, and picture perfect. On our day to the next day, we went island hopping. First stop, Puka Beach. Ang ganda, powdery white sand. Though medyo ulit. After that, we headed to another island where we had lunch. Included na siya sa package. Buffet style food, masarap din yung food na ino-offer nila kaya nabusog kami. Then we stopped by Magic Island pero dahil medyo pagod na kami the Crocodile Island and grabe ang ganda ng views. Sobrang na-enjoy namin yung island hopping. What made it better was Sir Toto service. On the day 1, sinamahan niya talaga kami sa activity. Parang VIP